Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming permissions and connection. This is why the app needs access to storage and Wi-Fi to transfer files. First, sign into your Canon ID so settings sync. Once done, enable Bluetooth and put the camera in pairing mode. The app detects devices automatically. Make sure location is on for reliable discovery. Then select the detected camera and accept the pairing request. This starts a secure link you'll use for capture and transfer. You now control the camera from the phone. This matters because it speeds workflow and avoids touch-induced blur. Tap Live View to frame and use on-screen controls for shutter, focus, and exposure compensation. If shooting tethered, enable auto transfer to move each photo to the phone instantly. Otherwise, browse and select images to pull manually. Make sure you set JPEG or RAW and choose the correct save folder. Once you change settings, test one shot to confirm resulting image quality and transfer behavior. You're finishing the session. Export edited photos or send originals to cloud storage for backup because redundancy prevents loss. When done, stop transfers and unpair the camera inside the app before powering off the device to avoid sync issues next time. If something goes wrong, try this quick fix. Close the app, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then reopen and reauthorize permissions. This usually restores discovery and transfers. If the problem persists, restart both camera and phone and repeat pairing. Most issues clear with a restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.